Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the adjustable tough foot pegs from Bykas. Alright, so we got another great product spotlight for you today. We are looking at the adjustable tough foot pegs from Bykas. Now, aftermarket foot pegs, very popular upgrade that riders like to make, including myself. We got a lot of great ones to choose from at Rocky Mountain, but there's one unique feature to these that really do make them stand out, and that is you can actually adjust the length. So we'll talk about that here in just a moment. But before we dive into that, let's talk about construction. So these are constructed of 6082 anodized billet aluminum, so great durability. And you can see a lot of cool colorways to choose from, but two features that really make these unique. Okay, the first is that the cleats are separate from the base, so if the cleats actually do wear down over time, these are replaceable. So if you want to keep that grip nice and fresh, just replace the outside colored piece. The other big feature is that these are adjustable and you can adjust the length. So in stock form, I actually measured these myself. They're about 2.25 inches wide front to back, and the length is 3.5 inches. But what's unique is you can see right here on the end of them, you have this big screw or this bolt. Okay, it's a 6mm Allen. So all you do is just loosen these bolts on the side, that's a 4mm, and then you just screw out or in this 6mm bolt right here on the end. And by doing that, you can actually lengthen them up to 3/4 of an inch. In fact, I've got one right here that I've already done that to. So you can see it's very simple. Just loosen that bolt on the end and you can adjust it out and add that additional length. So for riders that maybe have a bigger foot, maybe a wider foot, or you're just looking for that added length to your foot peg to have a more planted, more comfortable feel on the bike, well, these could be a really good solution. So depending on how big you want your foot peg to be, you have some adjustability. Other than that, rock solid foot peg. If you guys have any questions, comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll get those answered for you. To pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember that orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this little product spotlight and you want to see more like it, well, make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.